Earlier today, Governor Cuomo announced that a smaller scale version of the New York State Fair will take place in late August in Syracuse. That was somewhat encouraging news for the folks who run the Erie County Fair in Hamburg. But as Channel 2's Ron Plants tells us, they're still waiting for the green light to hold the Erie County Fair.
At the now very quiet Erie County Fairgrounds, the governor's state fair announcement brought some county fair consternation.
Not one word in the press conference made mention of them. I am hoping this is addressed in the very near future. I know each fair has heard, just run the event, even without guidance, just run it. The reality is that's not feasible. Every fair will need to have a public gathering permit issued and signed off by their respective county. As in prior years, all food vendors will need health permits issued by their county health officials.
And about those vendors,
we've reached out to all of our straight sales and food vendors, seeing who wants to come back, who's still in business. It's going to take some planning on our part once we get the guidance to find out, if we're at 33%, obviously it doesn't make sense to have as many food vendors as we have had in the past.
Widener's Barbecue telling us they'd be excited to take part, but with concerns about safety and logistics and the amount of work for less customers. Whatever happens, there will be fair midway layout changes with wider aisles and expect required advance ticket sales. One of the things that Governor Cuomo talked about with the Syracuse State Fair was the idea that people would be cordoned off in quadrants for eating and attractions and what have you. But Underberg says she thinks the Erie County Fair should be more open so that people could circulate around, even though there would be distancing, masking, and obviously a limited capacity. So now, wait on the state.
We want to have a fair, and it is in our plan to have a fair. But if that guidance is 10% and you need all these other boxes ticked, it may not make sense.
Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.